All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I'm going to do an official unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, Google did send out the Bay version, which is pretty beautiful, and they also sent out the Watch Team Pixel. I appreciate them sending that gift over, but I had pulled the trigger on an Obsidian, and this is probably going to, the Bay is actually a really beautiful color in person. You definitely need to see the Bay in person to appreciate it. Because depending on which camera lens you're shooting with, it's going to make it look different shades all the time. So this is the Obsidian, and this is obviously the box it comes in. So I'm going to go ahead and peel these off. There's not much to an unboxing these days. There's no charger in the box, no charging brick, I should say. And you got the cable. But I wanted to look at the Obsidian because I think the Obsidian is just as beautiful as I thought it was going to be. The Bay version is beautiful. And I'm going to bring it back in here in just a second. The Bay version, and just for reference, this is what you get in the box when you buy a Pixel. Now, the Bay version is really sexy, really sleek, and a look at me because I like blue. Blue is like my favorite color, so yeah. But then when I purchased the 7 Obsidian last year, they sent over the Pro model and I bought this Obsidian version. Look at the difference here. Like, whoa. This is just the most beautiful thing with matte. It's just great. I mean, I honestly would have loved to have seen a brushed aluminum like this all the way around on top of the matte. I don't think it's overkill at all, but I know how, obviously the matte version is, going to be a little bit more noticeable when you don't have it all matte. And by having the glossy titanium or stainless steel around the edges and the camera frame, that makes for a better feel or look when it comes to showing the Obsidian. So I really can appreciate what they're doing here. I mean, this is just phenomenal, man. It is a good look, and they did right by the consumers by bringing out matte versions of the device. So now I'm going to go ahead and bring in the Bay version. Again, shout out to Google for putting it on. Let me just take this off. I don't know why I'm still holding that on there. But here is the Bay color with the Obsidian. Now I do have a porcelain Pixel Fold that I bought as well. And the porcelain color in this version looks pretty good, but I think these two colors right here are like tops. I like the porcelain version over the Obsidian for the Pixel Fold, but this Bay color is just hits so hard. And then next to the Obsidian, it just really comes to life. You can truly see why I went on ahead and got the Obsidian as well. I think the blue color here is, you got to see this in person, folks. You got to see it in person. I think this is probably the most popular color, the Bay color. I really want to grab the Bay Pro buds as well, but they just keep going on back order. But this Obsidian is so sleek. Like when I go out somewhere, it'll be with the Obsidian, like I'm going to somewhere, I guess, like not elegant. Not to say that the blue isn't elegant. It's just more of a, people will notice this, and believe it or not, I'm not one to like to be flashy or notice much at all, even though I might have flashy things. It's definitely not my style. So the Obsidian is sleek and goes with everything. And with the Bay, I need to make sure I'm wearing this watch to let people know, hey, I'm rocking with Bay. You know what I mean? So it's such a sleek thing. But the Obsidian is definitely a star of the show to a lot of people. People are going to be probably quicker to buy the Obsidian because it can go with anything. But it's up to you to determine, how you want to purchase your product or what color you want to get. But this sure is sleek. There'll be a link in the description so you can purchase either one of these. It doesn't matter. Man, this Obsidian is absolutely nice. Just a show and tell. I'll probably put up a short or something as well. But here it is, man. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick look at the Obsidian. Give kind of an official unboxing before with this one because I didn't get to with the Google one that they sent out. They sent in like a presentation box, and so that's cool. But I wanted to just get the video out to you guys. And now we're going to settle in I'm going to go ahead and transfer my data from this one to this one, or, just copy it or whatever. And then I'm going to fire this one up and activate the service on this one. And I'll rotate between these two when I'm wanting to use them wherever I'm going to. Because remember, I'm only doing 2 phone numbers now. No more 4 phone numbers for me. Have to keep it down. It's not about price or anything or being able to afford it, because most of my plans are military plans, so I don't pay much at all anyway. I pay like $5 for unlimited everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll with 2 lines for now because I don't want to carry too many phones. But this Obsidian, can we just appreciate the Obsidian? Oof. Oh man, that is beautiful. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, quick unboxing and look at the Obsidian Google Pixel 8 Pro. We're going to get this thing going. Let's go. Oh yeah, what team are you on? Team Bay, Team Obsidian, Team Porcelain? Shout it out in the comments. But one thing we know for sure though, before I get out of here, seriously, you are Team Pixel.